und ich persönlich auch. Herzlichen Dank noch einmal für die großartige Gastfreundschaft und für das gute Gespräch, das wir miteinander hatten.
Thank you, Chancellor Friedrich. It's good to welcome you and your delegation to Jerusalem, not for the first time, but as you say, the first time as Chancellor. We had the opportunity between these visits to speak many times on the phone. And I have to tell you, I speak to many world leaders. When I speak to Friedrich Merz, it's an open, honest conversation, even when we have disagreements, and often we have agreements. But these are open conversations between friends and people who respect each other. I have to say that I took note not only of our differences, but also the forthright statements that you made about what Israel is doing for the rest of humanity. You said that during the Rising Lion operation, our 12-day war with Iran. You said it just now in Ankara, quite forcefully. And I think these and other statements are very important because they reflect a deeper commitment which expresses the intertwined destinies of Israel and Germany. We went through the greatest tragedy that any people suffered on German soil and committed by Germans. And the generations that followed the Holocaust were understood that there was a special moral commitment to enable the Jewish state, the Jewish people, to recover from this horror. And Germany was committed and remains committed to Israel's security in many important ways. What has happened since the rise of the Jewish state is that we've been able to fend off our enemies, and in order to do that, we developed capacities that now enable us to reciprocate. Not only does Germany work in the defense of Israel, but Israel, the Jewish state, 80 years after the Holocaust, works for the defense of Germany. And that is a historical change that comes at the time of great international turbulence and change. We discussed the ways that we can continue this defense cooperation in a changing world, but it's not only cooperation in military matters. We discussed the cooperation in technological matters. Israel and Germany are two of the most advanced economies in the world. We have extraordinary people, extraordinarily gifted people, and in the field of high technology, high-tech, deep tech, AI, quantum, all these things that are going to change the face of this planet and the future of humanity. These are things that we are ranked very high. But together, cooperating in this, we'll rank even higher. There's not much space to go. But I think that working together, we can not only better the citizens of Israel and Germany, but I think we can better the world and our immediate neighborhood, the Middle East. So we discussed that, and we are ready to seize the future together. This will help peace. We are at the point where we believe that peace opportunities are at hand. The Iran axis has been